Hello friends, you found the video directions for keyboarding quarter two. I'm out of the building today, thus Mr. Veith is in the house. Video directions to walk you through what we are doing today. It's a video, so when I show you how to do something, or when I'm done showing you how to do something, you should pause the video and then you can go and complete the step that I just demonstrated for you. Just keep that in mind. You should not be watching the entire video and then going back and trying to figure it out. Complete the steps as we are going to, or as you are watching the video. All right, first thing, we got to register for typing.com. So click the link to typing.com. A new window pops up, a new tab, excuse me. You could click the link or you could just wait the 5 seconds for it to send you to the next website. Now, so you can both watch the video and complete the steps, I suggest you click the tab that says join a class, typing.com. Click and drag that out of your internet browser window, so now you have 2 separate windows. And then we can just move our cursor to the edge of the pages and we can adjust the size of things. We're going to create a new typing.com account. And then I want to stress this out to you. Go to the Google icon to register for the class. We don't need to enter any information down here. Go to the Google button on the registration page, and then my guess is your school account is going to pop up right here since you're already logged in online. If it doesn't, then you just log into your Google account like you would log into the school's portal. First 4 of your first name, first 4 of your last name, whatever that number is. Be sure to add the @isd199.org. And once you're done clicking that, you should just be able to log right into the page or right into the typing.com software. This is where we'll be doing all of our typing activities. In this class, there will be typing lessons, which I'll get to in a minute, and there'll be typing activities. All of the activities which are timed and graded for speed and accuracy. Those are typing activities. They're done on typing.com. First thing we need to do once we're registered is we need to take a pretest, and the pretest is graded on completion, right? Let's just get a baseline. How fast can we type? How accurate can we type? So the directions say, complete the 3-minute typing test at least 3 times. Your best words per minute and accuracy will be recorded, all right? Again, pretest. If you do this 3 times, if I see 3 scores, then you're getting the 10 points. So let's not freak out about that. To get to the test, we've got lessons at the top. We need to go to the right and select tests. We're going to take the 3-minute typing test 3 times. And you can see it's going to record every single time that you do it. So you need to do it 3 times. So here would be a perfect example of you pause the video and go and do this 3 times. All right, once you're completed, or once you're finished taking the pretest, the 3-minute typing test that you've done 3 times, we need to move on to something called the typing activity, or sorry, the typing lesson. Typing lesson 1, letters J, F, and space. So go ahead and click that link. All right, this will be in the modules folder of Unit 1 keyboarding. Here is what you are going to do. There's a picture in here of the letters that you need to type. I'll read the directions here aloud. Without looking at the keyboard, type the following series of letters as they are shown below. Remember, return your fingers back to the home row after each letter. Do not delete or correct mistakes. The home row, okay, since I'm not in the building, the home row is the row of keys that have the little notches on letters F and J. That is where your index fingers go. That's your pointer finger. Letters F and J should have your index finger. J should have your right hand. F should have your left hand. And then the other 3 fingers on your hand more or less go on the keys lying next to F and J. Once you press the key, you should try to return your fingers back to the original keys. Letters A, S, D, and F for your left hand, and J, K, L, and semicolon for your right hand. Now to complete this assignment, I'm going to zoom out here on this bad boy. All right, my makeup of Schoology is a little bit different than yours. You've got the assignment, looks just like mine, but where mine says in progress, yours should say document. You are going to open up the document. All right. Now, when this Google Doc opens, it's going to be in the Schoology page. And over here on the right, it should say, you should have a button to press that says edit my document or edit document. and that'll open it up in a new tab. Again, just like before, we're going to click and drag the new tab out of the window so we can see both the directions and the template that we're supposed to type. So it's pretty simple. J, 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 space, F, 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 space, return, J space, J space, J space, J space, F space, F space, F space, F space. You're just going to type these letters. You might think this is stupid, and I can understand that, but here's the thing. Most of our activities are done with timing and are done with a requirement for speed and accuracy. In my experience, it's caused kids to rush so much that they do not practice learning where the keys are and spend any sort of focus on returning their fingers to the home row. So we do these separately because you can do them as slow as you want, and I don't grade them for accuracy. All I care about is you learning where, apparently I can't talk and type at the same time, where the keys are, okay? Don't worry about the style of font that I have on here. Don't worry about the boldface. And when you go to a new row, I know the first letter is going to capitalize, no big deal. Don't worry about that. But the next thing you have to do is the typing lesson. Again, this is just meant to kind of show you where the keys are, let you do things in a slower pace, where we don't have the pressure of having a 90% accuracy. Just keep that in mind. When you're done typing the series of letters shown in the assignment, you need to submit it. And again, you should have, when you're done typing, you can close this tab out. You can close that tab out and then go back into Schoology, and you should have a button up here where it says submit. You guys have been using Schoology forever, so this shouldn't be that much of a complication. So go ahead, pause the video, do the typing lesson, and when you're done, come back to the video. All right, so far we've registered for typing.com. You've done your pre-test. Time should have allowed for you to knock out the typing lesson. And if time allows, we should fire up the typing activity. Typing activity number 1. You're going to see that the lessons and activities match up for letters. Pretty straightforward here. So typing.com activity number 1 says complete the activities in lesson 1 for letters J, F, and space. Click the link. It takes you to typing.com. It is the same login that you used for your registration, right? You still might be in the window. If you're not, then again, you just click Google and you click your school Google account, and it takes you right into the class page. And again, I'll click and drag so I have separate tabs here so you can watch the video. You might still be in tests. Okay, if you're still in tests, if you still see the test page, then click on lessons and you'll see the lessons here, right? There'll be a series of lessons that we do, learn the keys, shift, advanced keys and punctuation shift, and then cross-curricular. I mean, there's 3 broad categories, but the first lesson is letters J, F, and space, so you click start, all right? They're going to talk to you here about home row. I've already kind of covered that with you, so you can skip the video if you want. And then you just start typing. You just start typing the letters that are on the page. But, here we go. You completed this screen with 34 words per minute, but you need to have a minimum of 40. So you got to do it again. So J to begin. Here we go. Ooh, I got stars. You keep going through the lessons. If you don't hit 40 words per minute and 90% accuracy, you have to do it again. Some of you will be frustrated. That's okay. Can't expect to start something new and be perfect at it, or be great at it, or be good at it. You got to practice at it. Hopefully, you're going to be able to start typing.com activity number 1 today on Monday the 10th. This is not due until tomorrow, and you'll have all hour to work on it tomorrow. Typically, in this class, if kids need more time to work on things, I give them more time to work on things and I don't take points. But that's all dependent on whether or not we're using our time wisely and appropriately in class. So just keep that in mind that Mr. Veith will be writing me a note before my return tomorrow. Hope all is well. I hope you had a nice break, and I hope you're excited about quarter two. I'm very excited about having a new crop of kids. Pretty optimistic that this group is going to be just as fun as the last two groups that I had in keyboarding. So with that, good luck, be well. I'll see you guys tomorrow, and until then, go Spartans.